Hey everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to give you my thoughts, my brutally honest thoughts on Rhode skincare and slash makeup. Sorry about the title, you know, brutally honest. I hate when people do that. I've done that because it's just such a weird thing to do. Because it means that, well, this is my brutally honest review, you know, the only honest review. Really, anyway. So, first up, let's start. Nothing sponsored in this video. I paid for everything myself. I've got blocked ears, so I can't really, I don't know if I'm screaming at you or not. The easiest way to say this is, I love the entire line. I've had these for months. I've been using them for months. I think it's amazing. We'll start with the Glazing Milk. Now, you've probably all heard of this. This is really kind of your prep, your toner, but to be completely honest, this on its own as a prep for makeup makes the skin so beautiful, dreamy, and as you start to smooth it and it starts to absorb into the skin, there's this drag effect that happens where you know you're sort of sealing things. And I love it. And I don't know if you can tell, but instantly it makes everything, don't want to waste any, look better. It is my favorite product. I've got the cleanser, it's in the bathroom. I love it. It's probably the only thing that I wouldn't repurchase. The reason being, I think the price point of Rhode is very good, but the cleanser's upwards of £30 and plus you get 150 mils. It's just a little too much. I realize there's some irony here because I actually purchase Eve Lom stuff. That is a big cleanser. That is the biggest one they do. And it costs upwards of nearly £200. So I do realize what I'm saying here, but it's just the one I wouldn't repurchase. If it was 300 mils, I would definitely repurchase because it feels amazing. So next up, we have got the Barrier Restore Cream. Now this is a great product. We're gonna put everything on today, everything. It's really nice. It's hydrating. It's not heavy on the skin in the slightest. It feels, everything about this line screams luxurious. It also screams a much older audience, which is quite ironic considering her age. But it's all about maintaining the skin health and barrier. Next up, I love this one, which is the Peptide Glazing Fluid. This is amazing. I like to combine this with just one pump or so with the Glazing Milk and just spread it. It is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And finally, my favorite, this big in here. This is the Barrier Butter, a heavy emollient formula here, really heavy. You get a ton of product. This seals in everything. By the way, use your Glazing Milk, use your retinol or retin A or prescription strength, then use this over it. You'll have happy skin. It won't be flaky or irritated. This is amazing. As I get older, and I've still got quite oily skin, there is something about hydrating your skin to make it look its absolute best. So, currently there are no complexion products in terms of foundation or concealer or bronzer even. That will change since e.l.f. have recently purchased it for $1 billion. That's a lot of money. So, in order to stick with this dewy skin, I'm going to use NARS here really quickly, and I'm going to use medium 2.5 and one tiny little pump. And I'm just going to dot this onto the skin. And I'm going to blend it in with the Wayne Goss F4 brush, which you can purchase. I'll put a link. You can purchase this from Beautylish. I'm only using a tiny amount because A, I don't like coverage on the skin. I think it's horrid, but each to their own. But also because this line doesn't scream Kylie Jenner. It doesn't scream Kim Kardashian. This is a very different line. So we're going to use the products I've got here. And I've got them all, by the way. Purchased them all. So my favorites, we're going to use Sparkle. And this is their blusher. And it is the most glorious thing. I love it. So I'm going to pop it on the cheeks. And by the way, this is quite a pigmented formula. There are lots of different shades to pick from. You can use your fingers. You can apply this, by the way, on the lips. Oh, I love it. And on the eyes. Look how nice that looks. It's so nice. It's so pretty. They've got quite a good shade range, to say the least. And you can see it blends into the skin really, really nicely. I'm going to use a touch more. Why not? Blend it up into the crease. Blend it around and out and in and anything you could possibly want. It's really, really beautiful. I've got their lip butters. I've got all the colors, and I've also got the unfragranced one. I think they're amazing. They all smell absolutely heavenly. There is just a touch of color. Oh, do you know what? Let me show you. I've also got the lip pencils, and these are like, what are these? What are these? They're kind of like a contouring thing. You can just go directly onto the lip and just use it as like a pencil. You could contour with it. You could add your blusher and create something. You could wipe it off instantly if you're like me, because you hate stuff on your lips. And then there is, of course, what I just mentioned, the beautiful, these are so nice, lip glosses with a bit of color. You do one without. I've got the one without because it smells and tastes like salted caramel. So I'm going to remember that when I do mine. And there you go. Look how good it is. Everything. Oh, I just love it. I love this line. It's everything I want from a line. It's highly hydrating. It's glossy, it's glassy, it's perfect. The skin feels supple. You can even, which I quite like to do, I would tone down some of the middle portion. You can even take just a pinch of the lip, just a pinch, and just on the tops, just to finish it off. You'd mattify this bit. It's absolute perfection, and I love it. Links in the description bar. See you next time. Bye bye.